Well, complications are part of what we are doing. Complications happen to everybody, and only if you are not doing enough, you probably did not have chance yet to see your own complications. So it's basically of uppermost importance to discuss complications in every aesthetic congress. We need to realize why complications happen, how we can prevent or at least decrease the risk of complications. We need to learn to identify the complications as they happen and to provide the appropriate help to a patient with complication. Actually, for me, to be an expert in aesthetic field means that you are able to have the lowest possible risk of complications, and that you know exactly how to address and treat complications. Sometimes when you treat your complication appropriately, you actually have a very thankful patient. In our field, I always ask a question: what is more important, a safe or a successful procedure? And the answer is very complicated, actually. It's very complex because by intuition, most of the colleagues will always say the safety is of the uppermost importance. When I start thinking of that, if the safety is the uppermost importance, and since we know that there is not a single procedure with a zero risk of complications, so let's stop injecting our patients, because you never can promise a zero risk of complications. So according to my opinion, I think that the efficacy is of the uppermost importance. But to become an expert, you need to learn how to achieve the efficacy with the lowest possible risk of complications.